Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. COMEX copper price failed to breach its upper key resistance at $4.22 and given a downward trendline breakdown along with break in its important support at $4.13 indicate short-term trend is bearish. MCX copper price is moving in falling channel and break in its nearby important support at 797 level and close below it signal further weakness in the counter in upcoming trading session. However, any break below 792 level will drag the price further down till 785 and 780 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 802 level and break above will act as a trend reversal on closing basis. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.